Good day, I'm Nathan Jones Sigabanag, 25 years old, butcher deboner from the Philippines, and today I'm going to show you how to debone a half carcass of swine. First, I will sharpen my knife. Next, I'll remove the leaf lard together with the kidney. Remove the tenderloin. Then I perform the primal cut. This is the lower part or the hind part, the middle consists of the belly and loin, and this is the upper or the shoulder part. Now we proceed to remove the lower part. I remove the ham leg, remove the H bone, remove excess skin, and last to remove the femur bone. These are the lower parts, the round, top round, silver side round, and this is the eye round. Now we proceed to debone the upper part. I sharpen my knife again. I remove the blood clots and defects. Make a round, easily remove the shoulder leg. Remove the neck bone together with the ribs. Remove excess fats. Cut the connection between the humerus bone and the shoulder blade or scapula. Remove the scapula. This is the scapula. Last to remove the shoulder leg. These are the shoulder parts, the boson patsin on, the collar butt, the pig neck, and the brisket.